Subhash Chandra Bose was a prominent Indian nationalist leader and a freedom fighter who played a crucial role in Indian struggle for independence from British rule. He was known for his charismatic leadership and revolutionary ideas. We cadets has prepared a small role depicting his life story. The birth of Subhash Chandra Bose will be shown in our first scene.
Birth of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was on January 23, 1897. He was from a well-educated and affluent family. His father, named Janakinath Bose, was an Indian advocate.
मैं हूँ नाथ बोस जी या जानकीनाथ बोस। एक प्रखर वकील होने के साथ मैं हूँ एक राष्ट्रवादी और स्वाधीनता संग्राम का एक अंश।
His mother, named Prabhati Bose, was an Indian social activist and politician.
मैं हूँ प्रतिभा बोस, जानकीनाथ बोस की अर्धांगिनी और एक आध्यात्मिक महिला जो अपने बच्चों को बड़े, ऊंचे और सम्मान्य पद में देखना चाहती हूँ।
The early education of Netaji, depicting the conversation between his teacher and him.
सुभाष, तुम एक उत्कृष्ट और बुद्धिमान छात्र हो। तुमने ये सारी कठिन परीक्षाओं का उत्तर सही ढंग से दिया है। तुम अपने उच्च अध्ययन कहाँ करना चाहते हो? मेरे पिता के सुझाव से मैं अपने सिविल परीक्षा के लिए इंग्लैंड में पढ़ूंगा।
Subhash Chandra Bose's early education took place in Cuttack, Odisha, India. He attended the Protestant European school. He was a bright, ambitious student who excelled in his studies. Bose attended Presidency College in Kolkata and studied philosophy. After completing his education at the Presidency College in Kolkata, he went to Cambridge in England to study ICS. He stood fourth in the ICS examination in England.
You fellow Indian! How dare you go against your professor? From now on, you're expelled.
After the civil services examination,
मैं परिश्रम करके अपनी परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण हो गया, परंतु अब मुझे अपने देश की हालत देखनी चाहिए।
After leaving ISIS, he joined socialist movement led by Mahatma Gandhi to dedicate towards our freedom struggle. He left his home to dedicate his life in the freedom struggle.
आप अभी इतने तैयार होकर कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
मेरा देश उन क्रम निर्दय फिरंगी शासकों द्वारा पीड़ा झेल रही है। मैं अब और घर बैठे ये सब नहीं देख सकता।
अपने परिवार, अपने बेटी को छोड़कर आप मत जाइए।
Subhash's wife Emily was a bit hesitant towards him leaving his family behind, but Subhash wanted to join the socialist movement and free India from the cage of fear and endless pain.
अहिंसा हमारा मूल धर्म है। हम इसके नाते अपनी आंदोलन जारी रखेंगे। सबको सहकर मार खाने वालों में से नहीं है हम भारतीयवासी। हम भारतीयवासी दृढ़, शक्तिशाली है। हिंसा के बिना आज तक कुछ हासिल नहीं हुआ है। मैं भारतीयवासियों को शांत रहना नहीं, परंतु जोश के साथ देखना चाहता हूँ। जनमानस को प्रेरित करके उनमें ऊर्जा भरकर ही हमें आज़ादी हासिल होगी।
After Netaji was released from the jail, he, with the help of Japanese government, had to form the Indian National Army or Azad Hind Fauj.
जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय भारत, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय भारत, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय भारत।
This depicted the fighting of INA in World War II. But their hopes were dashed from the defeat of Germany and Japan in World War II. After all, it holds a special position in our heart, as these were the ones to come forward and fight those heartless, cruel men. Therefore, the endless contributions of Netaji led him to be an excellent leader among all. He was, is, and will be always considered the most influential freedom fighter with extraordinary skills.
Subhash Chandra Bose died on August 18, 1945 from third-degree burns after a plane crash. The plane he was in crashed while taking up from the Taihoku Japanese Formosa, which is now Taipei, Taiwan. And with that, India lost one of her beloved sons, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
जय हिंद, जय